So it's 9 p.m. and I'm usually in bed by now. But there's been a situation and I've needed to step in and help. So what's happened is, yeah, my friend down the road, she was babysitting a little animal and she had to go into hospital today for a little procedure, which was just going to be easy, but she ended up having to stay the night there. So I've gone to her house and picked up the little one, and now he's at my house and he's staying the night with me. So that's me. Me, Tiger. Oh, he's a little cute. He's so little. Say hi. Hi, puppy. He's so scared. Yeah. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. Okay. So I put a big cushion here with a bed and a toy and a ramp and his purple blanket. So that's his. So he'll feel comfortable. Apparently, he likes to sleep in the bed with you. So he can do that if he wants to. I definitely do not want to roll over and crush him. So I don't really like to have animals in my bed for that reason. And I was thinking of setting up the purple blanket here. Oh, but we'll see how he goes, hey? Should I just leave the purple blankie there? I don't know, Bub. Okay, so, and in here I've just put a little grass patch thing. And I've also got the cat litter there and some newspaper. So everything you need just in case, right? Yeah. And let's see what's in the bag of goodies. Is this all your stuff, Bub? Oh, not good. I found a leash at the house. I thought, I don't know if I'll need it. I don't know if it's his. I don't know if it'll work. He doesn't even have a collar, but... Oh, let him go. Oh, good. What have we got in this little bag? I'm guessing this is his food. It better be. Right. This is some dry bickies. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? And, oh, some wet food. Oh, sorry, Bub. And I guess some treats, huh? Which would you like? Oh, you're scared. Throw this away. Yeah. My dad came with me to go get him, so Dad could hold him while I, open the doors and get him in the car and grab all these things. I didn't want to have to grab him and all these things, and then accidentally he gets spooked and runs down the street or something. So I had my dad hold him while I get all his stuff and bring him in, and he was having the best time with my parents downstairs. It's a huge house, and he's running around and playing with them, and now I've brought him up here because it's getting late. Yes, I'm tired too. It's getting late, and I thought, no, he needs to get used to this too, because he's going to be staying in here. So this room, and he'll have the bathroom, and I will close off the rest of the place because, let's get up here. So we've got the bird room over there, which is locked anyway, and the reptiles. If I haven't told you about that, I will. Hey, puppy. I don't really want to let him roam around here. I don't know what he's going to get into, and there's stuff all over the place. Maybe I'll give him a toy to play with in here if he wants, hey? Do you want to bring a toy in? Where are you? There you are. Do you want to bring a little toy? No, it's scary. Do you smell lizards and snakes? You see your reflection? Okay, come on, Bubba. Let's get you some treats. I don't want to step on you. I really don't want to step on you. Oh, throw that over there. Let's see, I'll grab some food bowls. Luckily, I've got everything for Kitty here. Do you want to try some foods? Should I wipe that out a bit? Hey, Tiger Bob, huh? You good boy? He's a good boy. So you got your water. He's already had a drink. Oh, he's so scared. Oops. I'll give him a little bit of everything because I don't know what he's comfortable with. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, should I need two hands or should I put the camera somewhere so we can all watch together? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You don't want to eat that food? How about one of these treats? I don't know what we're looking at right now. Oh, I can't open it. A treat. You do. Good boy. He saw his own reflection in the bowl. Huh? You don't want them? He's scared of the bowl. Oh, you're scared of the bowl, Bob. Hmm. Yeah. Good boy. Are we catching this or what? Are we catching this? He's scared of the bowl because it's reflection. You don't have metal bowls at home? He's scared. See, I need stainless steel because apparently Kitty may be allergic to plastics and things, so I can only use stainless steel for her. It's food, right? Is it food, Bob? Yeah? Okay, good. Is this your food bowl? Is this where you eat your wet food? Do you want it in there instead? Flintstones. Hilarious. Oh. Oh. Alright, I need a spoon. Oh, yeah. I don't know how much of this you would eat, so I'm just going to give you like a little spoonful. Because I believe whoever walked you may have already fed you. Where's my spoons? Hey, Bubby. Sorry. I'm trying to use two hands for things. Oh, what's this stuff in here? Are you more comfortable with this bowl? Oops. Yeah. I'll put the rest in the fridge, okay? Good. Yum, yum. Yeah. Good job, Bobby. Right here. Boy. Good boy. I'm just grabbing a drink of milk. Papa. Okay, coming back. Okay. Okay, let me move all this over. Put this here. New water. Put that away. Put this here. Okay. So, what I'm going to do now is just turn on the TV. Watch some TV so that way the light's kind of on. It's not too dark. I can see what he does, so we can hang out here. I'm going to shut the door. Good boy, Bubby. Very good. And we'll see what he does. Maybe I will put some of the blanket draped down here, so that way he doesn't have to sit on the bed, but he can sleep down here where if he feels more comfortable. We'll do that. Okay, Bubby. You must have been, yeah, very lonely and scared. It was dark in the house. Oh. Tiger. Come on.
You like me, yeah?
You're going to come with me. Come on.
Tiger. Come, Tiger. Hey. Come, Tiger. Come. Hey, Tiger.
Oh, no. I don't think that's safe. What's going on? Oh! It's Tiger. Say hi, Tiger. Yeah, good boy. Okay, come on, Tiger. Come on. Leave the birds alone. Come on. Come on.